take a piss and that he'd be right back. What started as a fling got serious too fast. Well, I'm going straight to hell. Well, I'm going straight to hell. Well, I'm going straight to hell for this. Working at a nightclub, taking money from the door. He was getting paid with beer, set the empties in a row. He was necking with a Spanish girl and didn't even know. But I'm going straight to hell. Well, I'm going straight to hell. Well, I'm going straight to hell for this. Well, I'm going straight to hell. Well, I'm going straight to hell. Well, I'm going straight to hell for this. Went up to the bar when he heard the last call. Said he's got a girl waiting for him by the door. He disappeared into the crowd and headed for